US, UK, and Germany indices started off the week on a strong bullish note. We have seen the Germany40, which is indeed rallying, has hit another record levels yesterday, and today again it has hit the highs at 22,880 levels. While we have seen the S&P 500 also hitting the records at 6130 in the earlier trades today, and Nasdaq is already trading at the highs here. What to expect now from these five major indices, the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40, and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Let's start first with the S&P 5. S&P on the early charts, we can see it has hit the record levels here towards 613032 zone, and now it's starting off with a gap down. It's trying to reverse. Now, see, it is very important now for S&P to trade below 61146110 levels and then 6100. Only and only if it trades below 6100 we can say that the bears are back in action. Else you can see a good support is created here and a breakout beyond 613032. Yesterday also I have mentioned beyond 613032 there should be no looking back here. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD has retraced, the RSI has retraced as well. On the 2-hour charts also similar observations. See the support, it is taken from the 20 period. Pretty strong support is created here. With that as support, it is trying to rise, trying to bounce back, and a move beyond 613032 is a good sign for further bullish. The stochastic here has dropped. The MACD after the crossover trading with divergence is staying bearish as of now. Wait for it to again crossover for a buy and the next wave to begin, and the RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you see similar observation, the median of the Bollinger Bands providing it a very good support, the 20 period again a very good support, and as I say till 6110 and 6100 S&P has got very crucial supports on the downside. Only and only if it breaks below 6100 you can expect bearishness to prevail. Stochastic looking down, MACD after the crossover trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI is flat here. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation here on the 4-hour charts. See one swing candle, then couple of green candles. It is squeezed between couple of bullish candles, and on the upside it is finding a good struggle here. So wait for it to break out beyond 6132, which will confirm the next move. Right now it is consolidating, waiting for it to take a direction here. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. Not yet clear the direction it wants to take. RSI running flat. Coming to day, pretty important to note on the daily charts what it has done for last couple of days. See, it has started with little swings and then it is now starting to rise. I can see a bit of struggle here on the upside. Does once it trades beyond 6132, that is the point of time you can confirm now it is trying to rise more, and beyond 6132 what we are looking at is 6142.44, and then beyond that 6152 and 6165 level should be there. Yes, it has formed a good support here with that first bullish candle consolidation, and if it breaks out it is going to deliver a massive rise here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. So looking at this, one thing is pretty clear. Till 6100 do not trade S&P as bearish, and on the upside till 6132 you have to be cautious. The first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 6132.34 zone. Expect 6142.44, 6150.52, and if these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 6165, 6180 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 6114 levels. Expect 6108, 6100, and if this is taken then 6090 to 6080. If at any point of time S&P trades below 6080, consider that as a reversal all the way towards 6040, 6060 zone should be there. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 yesterday has hit 20 to 200 levels, and now it is trying to deliver lower highs and a flat bottom here, and thus very important for it to trade below 22,100 and 22,000 zone. Only and only if it trades below these two levels we can say that the bears are taking the charge here. Else you can see after the drop retracement, series of bullish candles are seen, and now it is trying to reverse. A move below 22 140, 22,100 zone is a clear sign of more bearishness prevailing here, taking it all the way towards 22,060, 22,000 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD has retraced, trying to cross over for buys. The RSI is trading comfortable. On the 2-hour charts, if you see, the observation is more or less same. See, it has taken the support here from the 20 period, trying to bounce back, and this also makes 22,100 levels as a critical support for Tech 100 for the day, and at least till 22,000 or 20 21,980, you should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bearish here. Very clear. If you looked at the stochastic, this is back to overbought. MACD has crossed over for sell. RSI trading near to the top, and on the 3-hour charts also similar observation is seen here. A good support is base is now created at 22,100 120 zone. With that, if you look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, this is signs of bearishness. See, if you look at the recent past, Tech 100 hitting these highs on MACD, we can see a reversal. Let's see if it starts to deliver the reversal today. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Bit of retracement and trying to bounce back. A breakout beyond 22 200 220 should be a good sign for the bulls. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, the observation is similar. Look at the formation here. It has formed a very good base today. It has started off on a bullish note, and that is why I say, in fact, if you see it now staying above 22 200, and let me broaden the horizon, 22 240 till 22 240, you have to be cautious. Beyond 22 240, there is no looking back. We are seeing 22 300 320, and then in fact 22 380 400 should be there very soon. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is rising and looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, the buying entries are clear at 22 200 240 levels. Till 240, exercise extreme caution not to treat this as bullish. Beyond 22 240, no looking back. 22 300 320 first target zone, 22 380 400 the next. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside now, a selling entry I will recommend is at 22 120 levels. Expect 22,080, 22,040, 22,000. If at all it trades below 22,000, you can say the markets are reversing, and we are looking at 21,900, 21,800 levels, the next targets. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See what US 30 did yesterday. It has moved towards the next highs at 44,680, and now trying to trade with bearishness. It has erased all the gains. Now we have to wait for it to trade below 44,520, 480 zone. This is the zone which is going to provide the maximum support for US 30 on the downside. Any drop below 44,480 should be a sign that we are looking forward to 44,400, and if 44,400 is taken, then expect 44,340. See, these are very crucial support levels till 44,300 levels, below which you can expect a greater correction to prevail. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD trading bearish. RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts also similar observation here. See, consistent bearishness is seen. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. If you see it is staying below 44,520, 44,480 zone, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Till then, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic oversold here. MACD and RSI both are showing signs of slight bearishness, but not yet a complete reverse. Likewise, here you can see a good support is created here around the 2050 100 period moving averages, which are right now trading with moderate bullishness. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation. The support is created here. Wait for it to break down below 44,525 480 levels in order to confirm more bearishness. Else right now I can see trading with moderate bullishness here till 44,400. It has got extremely strong support available. Stochastic here looking downwards. MACD is trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, almost running flat, trading with the support from the 2050 period moving averages. Coming to daily, now look at the daily chart. See what has happened yesterday. It has started off with higher lows. Now higher lows are pretty important, and thus this zone becomes stronger here. As long as it stays above 44,480, 500, do not treat Dow Jones is bearish. Below this, till 44,400, it has got very good support. What will happen if it breaks below first bearish candle? Retracement, and now once it trades below 44,400, it is going to deliver another bearish candle, which might take it towards all the way towards 44,200. See, the MACD after the crossover right now is trading with divergence in bearishness. RSI is flat. So looking at, I'll recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 44,620 levels. Expect 44,680, 720, and 44,760 levels. If 44,760 is taken, I think we are looking forward to 44,900 plus levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 44,520. Expect 44,480. And if it trades below 44,480, chances will be very high that we are looking at the next move towards 44,400, 44,320, 44,200 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly chart for Germany40. Lower highs are seen and it is trying to retrace towards 20 period, which suggests that we can see a move towards 22 800 780 zone, and if that is taken, we can expect the next move towards 22 700 670. This is going to be the prime support zone for Germany 40 on the downside. Yes, indicators are trying to cool down. We have seen extreme rise here, and now it is crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI is coming out of the overbought zone. It suggests that Germany 40 might erase some of the gains. Look at the 2 hour chart. Similar observation: higher lows, lower highs. Let it break below here 22 800 780 zone, which will confirm more bearishness, and then we can look forward to a greater price correction. Yes, the indicators are trying to cool down after a greater rise. Yes, the Germany 40 has seen a very strong rally. Look at the formation. Notice whenever it diverges, it tries to converge. Now again a divergence, it may try to converge all the way towards 22 600 possibly. Certainly it is overbought, no questions on that on every time frame. Look at the 4 hour charts. Now on the 4 hour chart, this will become a reversal sign if the price is now trades below 22 800 780 zone, and then below that you can expect 22 700 and then 22 600 as the next targets. Yes, things are overbought here as well. Coming to on the daily chart, see, it has formed a very strong support now at 22 500. With that as support, we have seen this rise. And see, this is a strong bull run which DAX is delivering as of now. The highs are well above 23,200 levels. But also it is trading with extreme divergence from the 20 period, which calls for it to converge. For it to show reversal, now it has to trade below 22 500 levels. Yes, it is extremely overbought, but no signs of reversal are seen. So looking at this, what I will recommend is a selling entry at 22 800 levels. Expect it to move to 22 870 80 should be a first support and very good. Below that 22 710 should appear the next target, and then 22 660 600 will appear. Below 22 600 is stay short for 22 500, and below 22 500 it's a crash which is going to be there. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK 100 or FTSE 100. UK 100 is forming a very good support now at 8760 8750 zone. It has to trade below 876050 in order to confirm a reversal here. Right now I can see no signs of it, but yes, on the upside the struggle at 8780 8790 is pretty strong. Yes, the indicators have retraced. The MACD is also now crossed over for a sell off here. The RSI has dropped. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation till 8750 you should be cautious, and then below that till 8730 levels you should be alert. If it trades below 8730, chances will be there that we can look forward to a greater correction here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, lower highs, retracement. Let it break below 874030, and then you can confirm more bearishness ahead. While look at the MACD, it has crossed over at the bottom and it is looking upwards, trading bullish, which suggests more bullishness can prevail here. And likewise on the 4 hour chart, see, one important observation on the 4 hour charts is the lower highs and consolidation, and now it is trying to break out, which suggests that it can move towards 875040 or in fact lower levels here. But right now when you see the MACD, it is crossed over for buy and trading bullish here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? See, a strong base is created at 8700. With that as base, we have seen a rise, and this could be symmetry here as well. If it trades beyond 8780 8790 today, you can again expect it to deliver a rise towards 8820 8850 levels, and a double top levels can be seen here. So what is happening here? It is trading in this bullish channel, delivering higher lows, higher highs. Breaking beyond 8840 is a clear sign of more bullishness. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back, but look at MACD. After the crossover, it is trading with divergence and bearishness, and this crossover has come at an extremely elevated levels. So I can sense that up move is going to be very difficult here. The higher it goes, the stronger should be the reversal here. So considering this, now I'll recommend a buying entry at 8780 levels only. If you see it is staying above 8780, expect 8790 92 8804. And if 8804 is taken, then 8820 should be the next target. Beyond that, stay bullish for 8835 8850 levels, the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 8750 levels. Expect 8736 8740 is the first target zone, 8720 is the next, and if it trades below 8720 8700 to be there. Below 8700, no reversal, no recovery, we can expect a good price correction towards 8680 8650 levels. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do what that is.